Hey there, let's walk you through how to do a GIF. So let's come up here to the Zight icon, and you can either get started by clicking on record, or you can click GIF. So when I select GIF, I have two different main options. I can record everything that's on my screen with this full screen option, or I can select region. I want to capture just a small part, and so I'm going to click select region. So I'll come over here and select screen only because I don't want to have my camera on, and I want it to be a GIF, so I'll select the region that I'm going to capture. Let's say I'm a marketing person and I want to show how the new header on our website works. So after I've got everything selected, I'm going to click Start, and I'm going to click on this resources header to show my team how this looks and works. I'm also going to add an annotation like this. I'll click Finish. You're going to see that it's processing right now, making sure that the GIF is small and compressed. And now this web page opens, and you can see the interaction that I had as a GIF right here. So the great thing about GIFs is that they repeat over and over, so they're great to be put on websites, in email, in documentation, without the user or somebody who's interacting with that content having to click play. And that's it, and that's how you make a GIF with Zight.